Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the 22 WRX and our Boomba Racing Catch Can Stage 2 kit. Make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Remove hose clamp on the charge pipe. Remove intercooler mounting bolts and brackets.
Purchase your tracks today.
Remove intercooler. Slide hose clamps down on PCV hose and remove PCV hose. Cut PCV hose approximately 1 inch from the bottom end of the hose in a 1.5 inch section. Switch the hose clamps. Black clamp on the shorter hose and the silver clamp on the longer hose. Install longer hose on the engine block. Angle hose length towards passenger side. Install shorter hose on intake. Angle hose length towards passenger side. Prepare the Boomba Racing Catch Can kit. Install provided hose clamps and hose adapter. Install shorter hose length and provided hose clamp on OEM hose on the engine block. Install longer hose and provided hose clamp on the OEM line from the intake. Use provided zip ties to dress up vent hoses. Reinstall intercooler. Install catch can mounting bracket. Make sure out is on the left and in is on the right. Insert hose from intake manifold to out port on the catch can and hose from the engine block to the in port of the catch can. Mount Boomba Racing Catch Can. Secure with provided hose clamps. Tighten down intercooler bolt. Secure charge pipe hose clamp. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing.